Here is a close look at this gorgeous red mixer from Aucma. I chose the color red because it is one of my favorite colors and it does not disappoint. It also comes with all of these extensions here. I'm not an expert, so I don't know all the names, but I know that the beater and the whisk, those are the ones that we've used a lot and they work very, very well. And then to use this mixer, so you see I recently plugged it in and then it'll flash blue like that. To open it up, you would press this right here and then you would add in whatever you wanted, secure your thingamabob in there. It hooks in super easily. Now let me close it real quickly. And then to start it, all you'd have to do is bump it up to whatever number and it'll go ahead and start doing its magic. Overall, this is a great mixer and it'll look stunning in pretty much every space. I've done a lot of cooking with it and it is an excellent choice.